SEC adopted the original advertising rule in 1961. It adopted the original solicitation rule in 1979. Now, remarkably, neither rule has been substantively updated until now with the new marketing rule, which, as I said, took effect. Its compliance date was about a year ago. Now, the SEC has recognized that in the intervening years, right, between 1961 and 1979 and now, in the words of the SEC, advertising and referral practices have evolved. The technology used for communications has advanced. The expectations of investors shopping for advisory services have changed, in fundamental ways. And the investment advisory industry as a whole has diversified. So simply put, the world has changed in ways that would have been incomprehensible when the rules were first drafted.